When you found out your devices, such as computers, phones, which couldn't get internet access after connecting to the router, you can refer to the following steps for simple troubleshooting. First, turning on the router, check if the LED indicators work properly. Next, check if all the devices such as modem, router, and the laptop are all connected via RJ45 correctly. Follow modem and router instructions to connect the cable correctly. Then turn on the power. Next, go to Setting page and make sure when settings are correct. There are 3 types of network connection: PPPoE, static IP, automatic IP. The related information needs to be confirmed with your internet service provider. When setup is complete, internet status is shown as connected. Next, please make sure the firmware of the router is up to date. Check the information card for more firmware update steps. Last, you can restore the router using the Setting page or Reset button. Check the information card for more steps. Above are simple troubleshooting steps to help internet access through router. Welcome to subscribe to our ASUS support channel. We are happy to provide you with more useful information.